I don't know what's underneath this water. I'm just riding this thing by faith. And it just keeps going. Like, it literally just keeps going. All right, so I ride up on this and yep, not going to do that at all. But this guy over here, he happens to see like, oh, it's like he's signaling for me to follow him. So let's just see. Okay, I'm gonna follow this paw, load it to the gills with drinks. Okay, yeah. This is pretty nice of him, just guiding me along. I mean, and I just think this is it. Letting them know, hey, thanks. But then I realized that actually there are more of this water ahead. Yeah. That's so nice. He's like, all right, little patty one, come on. Woo! And it even gets even worse. Now is where it really starts. Bro, I don't know what's underneath this water. I'm just riding this thing by faith. Woohoo! And it just keeps going. Like, it literally just keeps going. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta get a grip on this road here. But I'm just like, okay, as long as I follow the tracks of this paw here, should be all right. Just follow the tracks. Just follow the guy. Finally up on some land. Hopefully this is it. Oh. Wait a minute. Telling this guy, hold on, he's backing up on me. I'm short on the slippery stuff. So we're gonna try to pass the other way because this gentleman right here with his passenger appeared to be a little bit stuck in the mud because you just don't know what's underneath. And we bypassed. And hopefully this part of the road is fine that we're about to cross here. He decides to cross section it this way. I don't know why I keep stalling. This is ridiculous. I'm just being ridiculous. Here we go. Okay, is this it? And it's not it. Again, random water. I don't understand how these people around here are living. I guess they're all wearing like slides and flip-flops, but goodness. Can you imagine your local road like this? Like we don't understand anything about no drainage at all. This water gonna come on this road and it's gonna stay just like this. And your life is just gonna have to continue. And there's not sidewalks or anything. So this does look like we are at the end. And he's letting me know that's it.
Ça va? Ça va? Merci beaucoup, grand merci.
It's letting me know that, hey man, this is good, and I'm thanking him and I'm moving right along. But the problem is that I was just out riding, which means I had to come back, which means this guy is not going to be with me. So this is like now me having to navigate it myself. Like, which way did this guy go? I guess I'll just cross right here. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm just deciding to stay around the edge here because I'm just assuming that there's more land at the edge. This part doesn't look so bad. I literally cannot understand how people are just walking through this. You have a lady with a baby on her back. And I mean, and look, even barefoot. Oh no, when she has on flip-flops. Like, I think I might have lost a little bit of control here because of the mud. It's enough for motorbikes to go, but even, you know, even cars have to even go on that. Cross over this. Trying to avoid the water as much as I can. But then some parts on the edge there is a lot of water, so I just want to cross right here. Back over. So this looks like the end. And I thank you for coming along with me on the water road today. And please follow me for more Africa off-roading adventures. Until next time, please stay safe and keep the rubber side down.